Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the TCL 55-inch Class 4 Series 4K UHD HDR Smart Roku TV, model 55S455. I've looked through the internet, checked user feedback, specs, and real-world impressions, and in this video I'll tell you honestly whether this is a TV you should buy or skip. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The TCL 4 series has always been about delivering solid value, and the 55's455 sticks closely to that formula. You're getting a full 4K UHD resolution, which means sharp detail and noticeably cleaner images compared to older 1080p TVs. On a 55-inch screen, that extra clarity really matters, especially when you're watching movies, sports, or streaming high-quality content from Netflix, Prime Video, or Disney+. Text looks crisp, fine details stand out better, and overall the image feels more modern and polished. This TV also supports HDR, which helps improve contrast and color depth. You'll notice brighter highlights and slightly deeper blacks in supported content. Now, this isn't a high-end HDR experience like you'd get from a premium OLED or mini LED TV, but for its price range, the HDR performance does make movies and shows look more lively than standard dynamic range TVs. One of the biggest strengths here is the Roku Smart TV platform. Roku is known for being fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. Everything is laid out cleanly, apps load quickly, and you get access to just about every streaming service you'd want without needing an external device. If you've ever struggled with complicated smart TV menus, this is one of the easiest systems to live with day to day. Connectivity is another strong point. You've got HDMI ports for game consoles and streaming devices, USB for media playback, Ethernet if you prefer a wired internet connection, Wi-Fi for wireless streaming, and even RF input if you're using an antenna for local channels. It's flexible enough to fit into almost any home setup. For everyday viewing, performance is solid. Streaming looks clean, cable content is upscaled decently, and sports motion is smooth enough for casual viewers. The built-in speakers are okay for normal TV watching and dialogue-heavy shows, but like most flat TVs, the sound is nothing special. Pairing it with a soundbar will make a big difference if audio matters to you. Where you do need to keep expectations realistic is brightness and contrast. In very bright rooms with lots of sunlight, this TV won't look as punchy as more expensive models. It performs best in normal indoor lighting or evening viewing. Gamers should also know that while input lag is fine for casual console gaming, this isn't a high refresh rate TV, so competitive players may want something more advanced. So the big question, should you buy it? After going through reviews and performance feedback online, my honest recommendation is this. Yes, if you want a reliable, easy-to-use 55-inch 4K smart TV for everyday streaming, movies, and general entertainment without spending a lot, the TCL 55's455 is a smart buy. It's not trying to be a premium TV, but for the price, it delivers exactly what most people need. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews, and drop a comment telling me what product you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.